Today I want to talk about the $29 maintenance check.
Mechanics for non-mechanics.
Understand that you are paying someone $29 to come in and rob you, basically. Okay, I hear sob stories all the time about what actually happens in these $29 maintenance checks, and I just want you to be aware of it. Look, I know you're looking to save money. You know, times are tough, okay, but you don't want to shortcut yourself by paying someone a ridiculously low cost where they're going to come into your house and then find issues or create issues, and then you're going to have a way bigger problem than if you would have just paid an honest company, say $75 or $85 or $115 even for a maintenance check. Now we charge $85 for our maintenance check. That's generally about standard, okay? It's kind of the middle of the road. But if you see these $29 coupons in your newspaper or in a magazine, in most cases, run for the hills. Now, it's not always the case, because sometimes honest companies just want to kind of get some more business, or maybe it's in the cooler seasons, and so they're dropping their prices to try and get more clientele. So it does happen, but 90% of the time, okay, if someone's giving you a $29 maintenance check, what they're actually doing is you're paying them $30 to come in and create a problem that wasn't there, or they're going to find something that is not even, wrong, and they're going to say that it's wrong, and they're going to give you a bunch of lingo and convince you and talk about capacitors and contactors and transformers, and you're going to go, okay, yeah, just fix it, make it better. And the whole time they're really squeezing you, out there. So I know, we have a small company, Adams Cooling, okay? We're a small mom and pop type company. I know what it costs to run a company, and there's no way that a large company that's running those ads that you're going to and you're finding their ads is going to be able to survive on a $29 maintenance check, okay? I know from experience that if we have a guy that we're paying $20 an hour, a good technician, we're paying $20 an hour to work for us, when you start to add in their own insurance, the insurance on their truck, the gas that it takes their vehicles, workman's comp, all these different additional costs, that person is actually costing the company more like $40 or $45 an hour. Okay, so do you think a big old company that wants to make profit is going to send out a guy that is costing them $45 an hour and only charge you $29? It's not going to happen. So they're actually going to find problems. And I've heard the worst stories, especially with elderly folks, where people just poke holes in the copper piping and the Freon starts to leak out, or it's easy enough to twist off a cap here or there and suddenly Freon's leaking out of the system, and oh, how did this happen? Or to rewire the system in some way that the compressor ends up burning out. Look, there's tons of unfortunate stories that you hear about. So I recommend, if you see the $29 maintenance check, in most situations you want to run for the hills. You want to find an honest AC company, pay them their worth, okay, because it's no problem for me to come out on an $85 maintenance check and not have to fix anything, because I've been paid, $85 for that hour. We're okay. We can keep our business running. We still have some profit in there, okay? So understand that you're not looking, in those situations, you really don't want to look for the cheapest price, but you want to find an honest AC company that's going to do the right job at a competitive price, and you will be good in the long run. You will thank me.